What's going on, everybody? So about 8 months ago, I made a video asking people to reach out to me. They got scammed by Andre with Pinnacle Credit Repair, and that I would do something extremely special for them. I want to ask a huge favor from every one of you, all my subscribers, whoever sees this video, like a huge favor. Share this video everywhere you can share it, because we need to warn others about what this guy is doing and has been doing for over 10 years.
Stop fucking moving around and get your file open. Don't blame people. And here's the thing about fraud. There's times where customers are like, identity theft, I don't want to give you my personal information. Look, idiot. No one wants your identity if you have fucked up credit. People that are stealing identity, it's like you're going to a house with nothing in it. Bitch, you have no credit. Nobody wants your shit. Well, I can't say no one, but you're on the bottom of the food chain. It's like, since when do you go to the projects or a ghetto neighborhood, a poor neighborhood like a trailer trash? Since when do you hear a trailer park got robbed? Because they don't got anything in there. They're broke. Unless they're a crack shack. That's an asset. Fentanyl. Crack, yeah, that's an asset because you sell it for profit.
Well, the number of people that reached out to me and said that he scammed them was just ridiculous. And over the next couple of weeks, I'm going to be posting videos of those exact people that he scammed that reached out to me, so y'all can see just how big of a scammer this guy is. You need to know the truth about this guy. He tries to make me look bad with this and that, the whole Georgia thing, the whatever else he comes up with in his head. But the truth of the matter is, I am not a scammer. He is 100% a scammer, and he needs to be exposed.